Artlist.io.
Bannockburn Conservation Area,
Music
December
licensing
27th.
reimagined.
Right after a big blizzard. Everything is just covered in snow as far as the eye can see. And we're about to walk through this little winter wonderland. We have to go in there by Lucy and cut through it into that daylight without any of that snow falling on us.
Artlist.io.
Stuck. What do you think, Lucy? Huh? Through there, brick trail for me?
Artlist.io.
Check this out, it's gorgeous.
Oh, wow.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
You would think you're in Revelstoke, BC, but you're back in Huron County, Bannockburn Conservation Area. Stunning what Mother Nature and Old Man Winter can give you. Whew, pretty.